Hello, this is James Lowry with James Lowry Hypnotherapy, where I, with the help of a medical provider, aid adults suffering with immune disorders in relieving the emotional stress surrounding their discomfort and in achieving a better quality of life in as little as just one session. Today's frequently asked question is, what type of pain does Lady Gaga have? Now, before I answer that question, I want to make it abundantly clear that the information I am presenting is not to serve as a substitute for medical advice. My role as a hypnotherapist is to serve as an effective adjunct to those already receiving medical treatment who might need additional care. What type of pain does Lady Gaga have? Now, if you don't know who Lady Gaga is by now, I want you to stop watching this video right now and go lift the lid of the rock you're living under. For everyone else, Lady Gaga has a type of condition known as fibromyalgia, which is characterized by a widespread musculoskeletal pain throughout the body. Now, it is not currently classified as an immune disorder, but shares major characteristics with immune disorders such as nervous and immune system dysregulation. What makes it different is that it also includes a neurological dysregulation, if you will, where signals that are otherwise safe are interpreted as pain, and pain signals that are interpreted are done so in a way that is disproportionate to the actual stimulus. So, is there a type of therapy out there that helps to regulate one's neurological, nervous, and immune system functionings? There is, and it involves a branch of science known as psychoneuroimmunology, which studies how the mind, the psyche, one's neurology, and one's nervous and immune systems all interact with and affect one another. At the core of psychoneuroimmunology and its applications in the form of mind body therapies, such as hypnotherapy, is looking at where attention is placed, the degree to which attention is gathered and maintained, and the overall emotional flavor or quality of that attention. Mind body therapies, such as hypnotherapy, aim to therapeutically affect attention in this way so that individuals break out of the vicious cycles they are stuck in and reestablish a healthy communication between their mind and their nervous and immune systems, regulating the whole. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, but James, I've tried talk therapies before and it didn't work for me. How is this different? Most therapies aim to alter or bolster your conscious perception of the problem. But let me ask you something. If you could consciously decide right now not to have the pain, the discomfort, the problem you are experiencing again right now, it would only be reasonable to assume that you would consciously decide to do so, would you not? If you could have consciously decided not to have taken on the pain, the discomfort, the problem at all, again, it would only be fair to assume that you would consciously have decided to do so already, right? So the pain, the problem, the discomfort, and the maladaptive psycho-emotional responses that surround them do not effectively exist in the conscious mind. Rather, they are most predominant in the unconscious part of the mind. So if you're looking to adopt this kind of therapy in such a way that, with the help of a medical provider, aids you in relieving the emotional stress surrounding your discomfort and in achieving a better quality of life in as little as just one session, then give me a call or book a free consultation at James Lowry Hypnotherapy. I'm always happy to help.